This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to collect your own Encyclopdia set, pop along to fanhome.com where you can find them for sale in many different territories across the world. So thank you once again to Fanhome for providing me with these books. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at what you get in each delivery. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and a warm welcome to delivery 22 of the Star Wars Encyclopedia. I believe that this is the penultimate delivery. I think there's one more delivery with two encyclopedias in it. I could be wrong, but that's what I believe. So let's start off by looking at Miscellaneous Ships and Vehicles, Part 2. This is obviously from the Ships and Vehicles section, as you can imagine it would be from the title. This is volume 82. They're not in order. Oh, they're in order when I put them on the shelf, but they don't come in order. So yeah, in this issue we have Corona class armed frigates, sea skiffs, fireballs, lots of different and lovely vehicles that you can find out all about by reading the words. I'm not going to try pronouncing any of these long words because all sorts of personal luxury yacht. I'm aware of that. I can't think where from, but I've definitely seen that model before. Oh, it's from Obi-Wan. There we go. That's why I've seen it. That's that. The Twilight looks like a B-wing, but isn't. Something going on there. That's the Corona class, apparently. Looks like a Cylon-shaped ship. And new ship. Oh, this is the big thing with that the Falcon landed inside. Cool. Yeah, the quad jumper that blew up a little bit. Spoilers, not really a spoiler. Nice, interesting, different little bits of ships, and obviously you can see more about them. The ones from the animated, I want to say, no, not Rebels, it's Ace Squadron. What was that in? It's the one I haven't seen yet, not Legacy. I can't remember. You can let me know in the comments what series that's from. I can visualize it, and I know the art style, but I can't remember what they called it. The next issue we have, the next volume that we have in the Encyclopedia, Freedom Fighters from Lothal and other characters. This is from Rebels. I'm aware of that. Lothal is the main planet featured in Rebels. So we've got lots of things, different places there. The Ghost Crew. Be all about them mainly, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Phoenix Squadron, Hero the Rebellion, Sabine, Greater Good. Cool. Yeah, most of this we've seen similar before, but it's always nice to have art and have it in a different volume, different format. Finding out more stuff about more things. Oh yeah, that was the undercover mission. Don't know him, but I haven't seen the last couple of seasons yet, so I will get to that, but not today. Because next up, we're going to look at Lando Calrissian, and other characters of the galaxy, people that don't quite require naming on the cover. Lando, obviously, a fairly big character, but not one of the big ones, but there we go. Yeah, stuff about Lando from Rebels comics. It's going to be from Solo as well as obviously reunions on Bespin when he becomes a general, and then we go on to different people. Bix, Delicious B. Crumb, Rebo Band, cool stuff. I can hear the Max Rebo Band music playing now in the background. Drash, didn't know their name, but that's from Boba Fett, isn't it? With the biker gang. Grogu doesn't get his own volume, but you know, find out about him. Grogu's Destiny, the Mandalorian stuff. Nice. Yep. Fairly up to date. Fairly up to date with Mandalorian and Obi-Wan. There we go. And the last one in today's delivery, Kashyyyk and other planets on the mid-rim, not the outer rim, mid-rim. So there we go. Oh, I've done over the contents page. You can have a look at that. If you're interested in any of these, you'll need to subscribe and get your own volumes. Unless you're lucky enough that I turn to that page and you can read it, but probably not. That's iconic scene, quite like that. There we go. From all through the films, series, comics, everything. All good stuff. It's good to get everything brought together into one volume. You can all check it up. If you missed out on any of the history from any of it, you can always flick back through, find out the details in here. And/or. So, there we have it. Another 4 issues down. Another 4 issues closer to the finish. I think there are only 2 more issues to go. I can't remember. And I will find out when I put these on the shelf in order. I'll find out where the gaps are. But that's it for now. Thank you very much for joining me on this. Do leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you're doing, what you think of the series, and what you think is going to happen after the series is finished. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.